What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for that is in the description below or up on the screen. Today we are going to learn how to play Miss Bell by Skillinjah. This was requested by Kanakas, so grab your ukulele and let's go. Alright, homies, let's go over the chords for this song. So we're going to start with D minor, cover the top 2 strings here on the 2nd fret, and cover the 2nd string on the 1st fret. Okay. We're also going to play G minor, cover the bottom string 1st fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret. Okay, we're going to play a high C, so we're going to cover the bottom 2 strings here on the 3rd fret, the 3rd string on the 4th fret, top string on the 5th fret. And we're also going to play A. We're going to cover the top string here, 2nd fret, and then the 3rd string on the 1st fret. Okay, homies, let's go over the structure for Miss Bell by Skillinjah. The structure doesn't really matter here because it's the same chords the entire song, but we're going to lay it out anyway. So we're going to have the intro, chorus, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and then the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Okay, so let's play it together. At the beginning, it's kind of a slower strum, like, okay? And then the rest of it's like a reggae strum, okay? So let's go. Ready? Same song, same chords the whole time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, go ahead and share it with them. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for our Discord is in the description below. And I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.